You can turn a simple business idea into a full business plan and pitch deck using AI in minutes. This is like having a full business consultant powered by AI. I created this business plan from just an idea using ChatAgency AI in minutes. Let me show you how. So on your browser, you search ChatAgency AI, you click on it. So when you're in, you click on start a free trial. You can choose to sign in with Google, LinkedIn, or your email. Now, you, now the next thing is to enter your business idea or the problem you want to solve. So here you simply prompt in your idea. Instead of using a random idea like I want to create a business or something like that, I'm simply using this idea so that AI can generate a better business plan. You can also use a more detailed prompt to get a better and more structured output. Use to enhance your idea if you feel your prompt is not good enough, or you simply click on generate if you feel confident in what you already typed. So I'm just going to click on generate. When we click on generate, chat agency simply turn the idea into a detailed business concept. Um, it even gave my business idea a name, which is College AI. You can see in the description, it said College AI Navigator is a comprehensive AI powered platform designed to streamline and enhance the college application process for high school students. It gave a detailed description. Look at the executive summary. We have this, it says the platform democratizes access to high quality college counseling while helping students manage the overwhelming application process more effectively, which is exactly what I want. Look at the target market, key customer segments, and demographics. It said high school, junior, seniors preparing for. So these are the target market. First generation high school juniors and seniors preparing for college applications, international students navigating the US college admission system, high schools with limited counseling resources looking to supplement, etc. Let's look at the key features and the benefits. AI essay assistance with topic brainstorming. Wow. Scholarship discovery engine that identifies relevant funding opportunities based on student profiles. And once you are done, you can export your business plan as a document. Look at the share option here. You click on it and you enter the email of the receiver. Then you're notified that it has been sent. And just like that, you can turn a simple idea into a complete business plan, an investor ready document using AI. This is like having a full business consultant powered by AI. Let's go over the workflow again. From logging in into Chat Agency AI, we inputted our prompts and it simply created a business plan. If you're going to try this, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more AI tools like this. Thank you. Bye.